Good day, student. Are you ready to listen to our discussion today? Okay, very good. But before that, we must close our mouths when someone speaks in front of us. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Now, let's go back to our discussion last day before we go to our new discussion. Is this clear, class? Okay, very good. I will show a picture and you will identify what is found in the picture. Okay? First picture, what is this? Very good, Isabel. This is a family singing. What about the second picture? Okay, very good, Jonah. This is a girl playing the guitar. And the last picture, what is this? Right, Marie? It's a sixth girl. Now, I will show a picture of the book and you will identify the title, author, and illustrator. Where is the title? Okay, very good, Jonah. Is somewhere above or in the middle? Where is the author? Okay, very good, Sheila. Is under the title on the left? Where is the illustrator? Excellent, Carlo. Is below the author on the left side as well. Very good, class. You really have an idea of what the title, author, and illustrator are. Now, I will give a picture of the book and you will label if it's title, author, or illustrator. Is this clear, class? Okay, very good. What is the answer to number 1? Very good, Sheila. This is a title. What about number 2? Very good. This is the author. And in number 3, this is the author again. And in the last number, what is this? Very good, Jonah. This is illustrator. Now, for you to better understand what the topic is, I will explain the title, the author, and the illustrator. First, the title is carefully chosen by the author or publisher to capture the essence of the book and to pique the reader's interest. The title plays a crucial role in attracting readers and creating a first impression. It is often the first thing readers see and can influence their decision to pick up the book and explore further. A well-crafted title can evoke curiosity, emotion, or intrigue, making readers eager to delve into the story. The title can provide a glimpse into the book's genre, subject matter, or central theme. The title may be symbolic or metaphorical, requiring readers to delve deeper into the book to fully understand its meaning. Second, the author. The author of a book is the person who writes the story, develops the characters, and creates the text that forms the context of the books. They are the creative force behind the narrative, shaping the plot, dialogue, and overall structure of the story. The role of the author goes beyond simply putting words on paper. They use their imagination, storytelling skills, and literary techniques to craft a compelling and engaging narrative. Authors have the ability to transport readers to different worlds, evoke emotion, and provoke thoughts through their writing. Third, the illustrator. The illustrator of a book is the person responsible for creating the visual elements and illustrators that accompany the text. They play a crucial role in enhancing the story and bringing it to life through their artwork. Illustrators use their artistic skills and creativity to visually interpret the author's words. They create illustrations that capture the mood, atmosphere, and emotion of the story, adding depth and visual appeal to the books. Illustration can include characters, settings, objects, and other visual elements that help readers visualize the narrative. The illustration role is not limited to simply drawing, or painting. They may use various mediums and techniques such as watercolors, digital art, or mixed media to create their illustration. They carefully consider composition, color palette, and style to ensure that the illustration aligned with the tone and themes of the book. The collaboration between the author and illustrator is essential in creating a cohesive and visually appealing book. They work together to ensure that the illustration complement the text, enhancing the overall reading experience. Now that I have explained the title, author, and illustrator, I will ask you, number one, who is responsible for writing the story and text in a book? Okay, very good. Again, Jonah. This is the author. Number two, who creates the visual elements and illustration in a book? Excellent, Carlo. This is the illustrator. And the last question is where you can find the title, author, and illustrator of a book. Very good, Isabel. It can be seen on the title page. You really prove that you listen to our discussion. Very good, La. Today, I will ask you what is your favorite book, who is the author, and who is the illustrator of their favorite book. Where exactly is the title of the book? Now, you will have a quiz and it is only 5 items and you will answer it in just 5 minutes. Do you understand? Okay, very good. You can start now. Now, the 5 minutes are up. Let's cast it. What is the answer to 1? Very good, Jonah. It's a letter A. What about number 2? Very good, Sheila. It is letter C. And what number 3? Very good. It's letter C. And 4? Excellent, Jonah. This is letter B. And in the last question, what is the answer? Very good, Isabel. This is letter B. And for our homework, you will find the book and you will identify the title, author, illustrator, and you will explain each of its role. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Goodbye and see you next day.